Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store and then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open. And you can click agree and continue. And now you can close this ad and click allow. Now click consent and you can click on this button to start your VPN and then click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Germany. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.